Good afternoon, everyone. We are the CUHK team. My name is Justin, and currently studying electronics engineering. This is Chika, a medic student, and this is KK and Terrence, both studying energy and environmental engineering. Our daily lives have drastically changed from us having to wear masks and leave home safe app, and even order takeout from our smartphones, all because we want to maximize the space in order to minimize the transmission of COVID. To restore our lives before the pandemic, we are actually dedicating teams of professionals to detecting, treating, and even preventing the coronavirus from damaging our bodies, if not killing us. But all these measures and all these detectings and treatings and preventings come with one very big problem, if not perpetuating an even larger problem in Hong Kong. And we're also in an epidemic of plastic waste, where it's literally at this point literally everywhere. In Hong Kong alone, there are over 2,000 tons of plastic waste disposed in Hong Kong every day. Almost 4 billion single-use takeaway containers were sent to landfills in 2019 alone, and most of that is not recycled. And these numbers have almost doubled during the pandemic. And if we don't do anything, less than 12 years, all of Hong Kong's landfills will simply be completely full. So we need to take action now. Lunchbox takeaways, so that we can reduce our reliance on brand new disposable lunch takeout boxes. As you can see, a lunch is being filled and there's no leakage, and your hand still won't get burnt whilst the food stays warm.
So Drink to Eat offers a self-contained solution in the size of a vending machine to combat this problem. In Drink to Eat, because it's small size and self-contained feature, it can be placed in places such as shopping malls, housing estates, or maybe parks as daily for you and I, so that the accessibility can be increased. So in Drink to Eat, the drink cartons are recycled just as the way they are. They are recycled because they have the waterproof and food safe properties. They can be recycled and be made into lunch boxes. They're first collected, then washed and cut, sterilized, and then undergo the process of heat adhesion, die cut, finally shaping and finishing. Let's now go through the process step by step. First, when the cartons are collected, their size and types can be recognized by scanning the barcode that is inbuilt within the carton. With different cartons, the optimized layouts can then be processed by the system. For example, a 1-liter family-sized drink carton can have very different configuration with the normal-sized cartons. Next, it is to cut and wash the container. We've devised a solution to cut open the container in simply one step, which then can be cleaned using the water jet and the cleaning brush. So next is sterilization. We understand that especially under COVID-19, sterilization and hygiene is a big concern, especially for users and also with food and drink stuff. So in Drink to Eat, the drink carton boxes are disinfected using ultraviolet light because of its speed and also the effectiveness in eliminating bacteria and virus.
So after sterilization, we will stick the cut open carton pieces together. Sticking pieces together might look quite easy, but to make it food safe and non-leak, we have gone through quite a long process. We have tried different adhesion method, and at the end we choose to use the heat adhesion. It can guarantee to be food safe, as it can well seal with only 200 degrees Celsius. It's way under the thermal decomposition temperature of the plastic coating on the box. We have done the leakage testing, and our Drink to Eat lunch box can hold liquid without leaking for more than 2 days. After sticking the pieces, we will cut it again to the shape they're ready to be formed as a lunch box. And the die cut mold is designed to optimize the Drink to Eat transformation. So the final step is shaping. We can shape the box with only one step by using this special mold. We will attach heat plate at the 4 corners of the mold, and the box can be completely formed with this one press, and a plain and strong lunch box will be ready to be used. We have tried different composition and design, and currently we find the combining cartons design we present today is the most effective. So this is our container capability. We have optimized the usable area of the drink carton to more than 90%, and enlarge the capacity. We can get a 600 milliliter lunchbox from only 250 milliliter drink carton. And we have also done the load testing, and it can bear load of more than 4 kg. I hope no one is eating the lunch more than 4 kg. Yeah, so this, in short, we have 3 main distinct features. First, we optimize the utilization of material property, as drink carton is already food safe and non-leak. And second, we don't need any additional material. We will not produce any additional waste to form this lunchbox. And third is customizable experience, as customer can choose the lunchbox design they want, and they can see the process of forming, and this can also serve as an education purpose to include more people in this restoration process.
Let's take a look at the future. In the near future, we will finish our automation of drink to it, so that every customer, you just have to take your own drink carton boxes and pay into drink to it, and then they will get a safe and certified drink lunch boxes. And what we want to do with drink to it, is offer a chance to help restoration in this epidemic time and all the fast response of recent crisis. So we want to introduce you a humanistic sustainability, which is the design thinking of drink to it. With all these characteristics, we aim to tackle SDG goals by providing accessibility to tackle reduce inequality, also convenience to let you to use it at a convenient way, and also it is a very natural way of evolution to make innovation and evolution in the same place. And lastly, we hope to restore our Earth as sustainability place. So lastly, as I share a quote for you about drink to it, we hope that a journey of 1,000 miles begins bit by bit, but a life of humanistic sustainability starts with drink to it. And this is the end of our presentation. We hope to listen to your insights and questions. Thank you.
Thank you.
We work on different sizes because the box,
Yes.
there comes in many different sizes now. Have you worked on that?
Yeah, we have tried different sizes, so it's fine. I think everyone can hear me, right? Yeah, so it's a 1 liter. Yeah. Oh, okay. Sorry. So this is a 1 liter family box, and this is 250 milliliter box. Yeah.
You meant to use a vending machine to automate the whole process.
Yeah,
Is that correct?
Yes. Make it like a vending machine size.
Is the vending machine done, or you have not yet designed your vending machine?
Yeah, we envision it to be in the size of a vending machine, so we're not borrowing a vending machine to this purpose. We're going to fit every of the components inside this size, because we realized that after prototyping the individual modules, actually the size can be fit into a vending machine size, so as to make it more accessible to the public.
And every single step of the process is ready. We only need to assemble it.
Yeah, my
have not
comment would be do not underestimate the automation part of this process, or to make it all contained in the vending machine. This particular design itself is not trivial. That's one. And the second one is the sanitization process. How do you make sure, because you are using this to eat, so from someone who finished drinking something, and you don't know how they actually use it or deal with it, and then you throw it into the vending machine and come up with something that people use to eat. So that part of it has to be very careful.
We've also looked into some of the sterilization specifications of the currently available technologies, and we realized that ultraviolet sterilization would be sufficient, and also after the process, it will be re-sterilized and also packaged to ensure the safety.
I want to ask you, going forward, are you going to primarily take this as opportunity to educate the public? So you have this vending machine, they can experience the whole process, or you want to make it a business, like a more scaled up business? Because my next question is, depends on how you're going to do this project.
Yes, we would do a survey and beta test later. I think currently we are not yet haven't decided the direction, but I think the education purpose is quite important. Like I have, because I'm an environmental person, I take myself as yes. I've talked to many friends like, oh, why you guys keep using disposable container? Have you ever considered using reusable one or stuff? And people might say, oh, I also care about environment, but it's too inconvenient. So this educational purpose, I want to make it like recycling is not that difficult, and they can also see the impact.
Okay, good. Well, thank you, the CU team. Thank you very much, and perhaps you can take a quick photo. Okay. As an official record, thank you.
Oh goodness, worked out.